program that we're on is so comprehensive. I think pretty much any employer will kind of snap your arm off to sort of take you on.
At Aurora Energy Services, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in renewables, the skills gap, by unlocking the potential of military service leavers.
There's courses that you can do, which obviously you can fund yourself all through LCAS, but there's obviously not that guarantee of getting into something like all the courses that we've seen when we've been to like career fairs and stuff, and nothing compared to all that's included on this.
Our 7-week Military to Win programme transforms experienced engineers into fully qualified, site-ready professionals for the wind sector. With industry-recognised certifications and a direct pathway to employment, this course is helping build the workforce needed to power the energy transition.
Can you tell me if it's any good? And she looked at it and she said, "Go and do it." She's like, "You're not getting an opportunity like that anywhere else."